Hey guys, for this week we got these book pages 108 and 157 for Monday 20. In the page 108 you got listen to the conversation, the track 22, choose the best title. We got listen to the conversation again, the track 22, circle the correct option to complete each sentence. Listen to the message, track 23. For each statement, fill in the missing information. Listen to the track 23 again. Write down the phrases Oliver uses to apologize to his friend. Then we got the activity 2 on the page 157, reinforcement. Think how your relationship can be different with older and younger siblings. Describe the kind of relationship you can have with each of them. Then think what consequences each kind of relationship could have. Write your ideas below. And you need to complete this. In the activity 3, we got working teams. Think about a family. You cannot do that. Work alone. And think about the family that you consider ideal from a TV show, movie, or even real life. Analyze the family below using the same kind of graphic organizer you use in the activity 1. For Wednesday, we got the pages 109 and 110. Step into the past. Differences between families and in the past and modern families. Working teams, you cannot do that. Work alone. Come up with questions for an inquiry that explore the difference between families of the past and modern families. This inquiry should contain at least 13 questions that you could ask your oldest relatives. Later, we got working teams. Share the notes you took while interviewing your relative with your team. You cannot do that. You're gonna do it alone. Then fill in the graphic organizer that shows how families in your country have changed through the years. Use the answer from your relatives and your own knowledge about modern families. And for final, we got work in pairs. Listen to the song Cats in the Cradle by Harry Chapin. Discuss its main topic with your partner. Imagine one of you is the kid. The other one is one of the kid's parents. You cannot do that. You can do it alone or with someone of your family. At the end, for Friday 24, we got the pages 111, 112, and 113. Cross-curricular families of the animal world. What will become of our homes without pets? Domestic animals have shared roofs with human beings for so long and have become so close to us that many people consider them family members. This is why it is very easy to forget that animals can have families of their own. Let's take a look at some facts about animal families. Working teams, you cannot do that. Read the information about the animal family in the first row and then complete the chart. Use your own knowledge or search for information on the internet. Then share the information you got with members of another team. You cannot do that. Only do it alone. Then we got read the information again and discuss the following questions. You cannot do that. You're only gonna do it by yourself. How are human and animal families alike? Fill in the graphic organizer with your ideas. How are they different? And for the page 112 and 13, you're only going to read the article about family changes in Great Britain, okay? You're only going to read it. In the next class, we're going to answer the activities, okay?